Good morning, everyone. I have been mixing my resin. This is about 85 grams of resin. I use Mastercast 1:1, so you put in half A, half B, but that's like most resins are, and then you stir it until it is a smooth, and both A and B are mixed very well together. Okie dokie, there's a lot of sun today. It's really cold here. We had some frost during the night. All the cars are white, but there's a lot of sun. Okay, I think that's enough. Now what I'm going to do here is do a background, because I'm going to pour, I am going to be pouring on top of it. So this is a sort of a part 1 and a part 2. There we go. And it's going to be a long video, of course. I was going to pour one color, but I just changed my mind, so I'm going to do 3 colors. Let's see, get that off. So these little thingies are from Artist Till Death, as you can see. So if you want some of this stuff, guys, pop on over to their YouTube channel. Ooh, that is getting really, this is getting hard fast. So pop over to their YouTube channel, and they can help you out with that. Oh, little sticks. The little sticks. So the first color I'm going to be using, this one I want a lot of, no, I want this one. Put some in here. Okay. So first color is Belitz Blues. And we're going to stir that up. And there we go. So that's nice and blue. Then I want this really beautiful, purplish bluish color. I want a lot of that, because this is dark. So we're going to mix that in. And let that work in. See that beautiful bluish purpley color? That is kind of cute. I like that color. Okay, so we have our bluish purple. Then we have our blue. And I want the blue moon. So we're going to put that in. This is also a very dark color. Gonna put that in. And we're gonna stir that. So, like I said, guys, this is gonna be the background pour. So what I'm gonna do is just pour it all over and then spread it with the paint stripper. Okay. So I'm going to put it, as much as I can, I'm going to be putting it in the middle. There it goes. That's nice and blue. Now we're going to take the lighter blue. Put that next to it. See, that's a little bit lighter. Out of the way. And then we're going to come in with this really beautiful purplish blue, and I'm going to pour that around here. And I'm going to do a lot of this because the next layer I'm going to be doing the more of the ochre goldish tints. Okie dokie, that's that. And I do really want to make a little bit of white, but let's not do that. Okay. Okay. That's the layer number one. That was a little bit of hard work. I just got to fill in a couple of little gaps here and there because I want it all nicely spread. Don't know what that is. We'll just leave it in. The next layers will help that. Up to now, I really like the colors. I'm just checking and making sure that I'm getting a little bit of... I need some more air. That's it. Okay. I am going to stop the video right now, and I'm going to mix the other colors, and I'm going to pour on top of it. Okay, we're back, and we're going to do the second one. And I'm going to take my little sticks out. What I really want to do is pour a little bit of gold over it. And up again. And down again. That's it. And I am going to add a little bit of the white, which I'm going to try and see if we can get some cells. So we're going to do that. Okay, let's see what happens. is kind of nice. I see all sorts of things happening here. I do see some cells, but not a lot. But I do like the formations that it's forming. And I think there's a little bit too much white in the middle. I would have liked it more if this happened here. But we are not ready yet. Because I do want to see that I can put some of that glitter around where the effects are, because I want that to pop up a little bit more. Just a little bit to make it just that little bit more interesting. That looks okay. Okay guys, this is really a work in progress because I'm going to put another layer on top of this. I do like the mixing of the colors here. It gives it a little bit more of depth, and I do like what's going on here, but around about that, that's about it. I gotta just let it soak in a little bit. I want to do a step back. That's what I sometimes do. I just do a step back and then look what it turned into and then go on from there. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm what I'm doing right now is dripping on the leftovers out of the little cups, because I'm trying to go for some different effects, as you can see. So I'll be coming in with gold next, but it is giving something that I really like. This is the last one. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with the gold. It's turning into a really, the colors are really pretty. You're probably thinking, what am I doing with the colors? Well, I'm adding a little bit of alcohol. And the thing is that we don't want the paint to be too thick. I want it to do sort of drop through and make patterns. Oops, spilled a little bit there. So by adding a little bit of alcohol, they make those nice big bloomy effects. And it's also making for it's sort of going into each other, those drops. The colors are sort of spreading, and that's making the nice patterns. This is kind of nice. I like this. It's making it almost like mother of pearl, something like that. That's the colors it reminds me of. And I'm just going over it again and again to make those not so much drips as a sort of a pattern. So then you'll have to really just keep coming back with this alcohol mix. And I'm sure the people that really know me notice that I'm sort of in the zen place, because I'm really liking this. It has something special, something you can't really come up with acrylic pouring, because of the way the alcohol reacts with the resin. So I really like this is what it's doing. And I'm checking if I got another color that I can pop on, which I do. And all you need in the cup is a couple of drops of alcohol, and then you have to really stir it up that it really gets into this smooth, consistency, but there's still alcohol in it, and that's what you see when you drop it in the resin. It starts to grow. I really like this bit here. That is really turning into something pretty. But I think I will have to do another gold on it, on top. And I like that I get to work in it a little bit longer than normal. Okie dokie. That's that. And then one more time with the gold. And then I'm dropping it exactly in where I just dropped the blues, just to give it a little sparkle. And sort of bring it together. That's about it. Now, I really want to get you guys in close so you can see what's happening here, but we'll just leave it like that. I do have the sort of a feeling that I want to do the air over it just a little bit. Let's see. Let's see what happens. There. Teeny tiny little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna let this one really dry, and then we're gonna come back in with a very transparent color and the white, and we're gonna try and make cells over this bit here, because this is really pretty, but you have to see it up close. So I'm thinking putting a layer on top and then having these cells pop up here, because I can swipe them, and then that will come through the cells. So something like that, okay? So I'll be right back.